Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brothers Sewing and Quilting Machine. Not only is this computerized model inexpensive, but it is also a versatile machine packed with tons of user-friendly features that a beginner will find easy to operate. All the threading spots are marked with a diagram to make the process easy, and the automatic bobbin winding and needle threading system, which is activated by pressing the lever on the side of the unit, prevents you from straining to thread the needle. An LCD screen with a stitch selector and a diagram matching the stitches to their respective numbers enable you to choose among the 60 built-in stitches and 7 auto-size buttonhole styles for a variety of embroidery options. You can use the foot pedal to control the 850 stitches per minute speed or select among the 3 automatic sewing speed controls. By pressing a button, you can adjust the stitch width and length up to 5 mm. A built-in free arm is available for intricate sewing of cuffs, hems and sleeves, and the spacious extra-wide table can accommodate more complicated quilting projects. The well-lit work area is a lifesaver for those with poor vision, and it allows you to sew at night or in dim light. Unfortunately, the machine may struggle with denim and other heavy-duty material. Additionally, this model comes with a start, stop button and a number of feet, including a buttonhole foot, zipper foot, monogramming foot, and overcasting foot. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Genome 2212 sewing machine. This is an ideal option for beginners who are looking for an affordable and compact model which has the basic features they need to get them started on their sewing projects. There are a variety of sewing options located on top of the unit, such as the 12 built-in stitches, which include a straight stitch, zigzag stitch, a reverse stitch, buttonhole stitch, and decorative stitch. These are selected by simply turning a dial. Reverse stitching secures the stitches while the 4-step buttonhole quickens the buttonhole sewing process. Next to the stitches is a dial used to adjust the width of the stitch up to 5 mm and the length up to 4 mm, and you can sew up to 1000 stitches per minute. Although it has a built-in thread cutter, you have to manually thread the needle. Depending on the fabric you are working on, you can place the needle in 2 different positions to prevent jamming of the needle or skipping of stitches. The drop feed is accessed by removing the accessories box and opening the bobbin door for quilting and free motion stitching. It automatically moves to an upward position when sewing. At number 3, we have the Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine. Singer is an old, established brand in the world of sewing, so you can expect the best in their products. This model does not disappoint. It lives up to its heavy-duty name and can sew denim and other thick fabric at a high speed of 1100 stitches per minute. The powerful motor also makes it relatively louder than other models, generating up to 71.4 decibels. Beginners have a plethora of options with 23 preset stitch patterns, which include 12 decorative stitches, 6 basic stitches, 4 stretch stitches and a buttonhole style. A buttonhole foot, a zipper foot and button sewing foot are also available, as well as a free arm for fixing collars, cuffs and hems. The threading process is simplified by the automatic thread cutter and automatic needle threading feature. On the other hand, changing the stitch width and length up to 6 mm is done manually using a dial control. Speed is also controlled manually with the foot pedal. The drop-in bobbin is easy to insert and remove, and the transparent cover enables you to keep an eye on the thread quantity. The unit features a heavy-duty metallic frame and a durable bed plate made of stainless steel where sheer lightweight fabric glides smoothly. It comes with a dust cover for additional protection and a seam ripper, screwdriver and a spool pin felt. It is also one of the lightest sewing machines for beginners, weighing only 14.5 pounds. At number 2, we have the Genome Arctic Crystal easy-to-use sewing machine. If the brand reputation and 25-year warranty won't convince you that this model is a great investment, its low pricing and user-friendly features will change your mind. It is the perfect gift for a beginner who is keen on creating unique outfits, and the stylish design, which comes in 3 different colors, adds fun to it. The Quick Start Guide and Instruction Manual will guide you through the setup process, and the high speed of 800 stitches per minute will have you completing the work in no time. In addition to the 3-piece feed dog and extra high presser foot lift, there are 15 preset stitches and a 4-step buttonhole for a variety of patterns. There is also a general purpose foot, zipper foot, blind hemming foot, and sliding buttonhole foot. A dial enables you to adjust the stitch width up to 5 mm and length up to 4 mm, while the free arm, which is accessed by removing the accessory tray, sews hems and sleeves. Other features include dual retractable spool pins for safe storage, front-loading bobbin system with built-in instructions, darning plate for free motion sewing, and a convenient LED light for enhanced vision. Despite its heavy-duty interior metal frame, you can take this machine with you for sewing lessons because it weighs 12 pounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Singer Tradition 2277 sewing machine. Do not expect any frills with this machine, but you can expect it to cover all the basic sewing needs, whether embroidery, fixing sleeves, or making buttonholes. This model comes with 23 integrated stitches comprising of 6 essential stitches, 7 stretch stitches, 9 decorative stitches, and an automatic 1-step buttonhole. There are also 4 presser feet consisting of a zipper foot, an all-purpose foot, a buttonhole foot, and a button sewing foot. The extra presser foot lift provides more clearance when working with several layers of fabric, while the foot pedal doubles up as a start-stop feature to free your hand for other sewing activities, while the free arm fixes cuffs and collars. You can adjust stitch length to a maximum of 4 mm and width up to 5 mm with a knob. To secure the seams at the beginning and end of stitching line, push the reverse lever for reverse stitching. The working table is sufficient for small quilting projects, but you may find the space inadequate for bigger fabrics. Buyers also reported jammed stitches resulting from tension issues. Its light weight of 13 pounds makes it suitable for sewing students who need to take it for classes, and the built-in storage box is well stocked with darning plate, bobbins, power cord, extra needles, and lint brush to offer you all the accessories they need. Threading the needle consumes time and effort, so beginners will love the automation of needle threading and bobbin winding in this machine. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.